Right, so we're going to test this beauty out after cleaning the carburetor. So here we go. So choke out, turn the fuel on, open up the air valve like so, whack on full throttle, or at least significant amount of throttle, and then once it's on, you gradually turn this down and reduce the revs at the same time. So there you go. First time. There we go, baby. So yeah, when I turn it to minimum revs, it shuts off automatically. But you can change the position of the idling in here so that it'll still keep on at full right when you turn the throttle right down. You can change the idling position so it stays on, but you know, I don't mind that it goes off at full right turn, and that's that. You know, air valve closed, turn the fuel off again, air valve closed, done, job done. So often it is a dirty carburetor, so if you've done all the normal checks then you're not sure why it's not starting, it may well be the carburetor. So there we go, sorted. Lovely jubbly. Job done.